Hey, good day everyone. Check out these nice solar powered lanterns I have here. Here's an up close look at it. It's got a nice handle to hang stuff from. It came with a cover over the solar panel that I just took off, but you want to have this to where it's facing the most sun. And these things can come off too. If you don't want the handles on there and you just kind of want to set them out like that, you can do that. But these are really nice for hanging them up and give you that lantern look, that hanging lantern look. And just go ahead and pop this right in that hole there. Same thing for that side. And then to turn it off and on, you just pop this thing out like that. And there's a switch on the bottom here, and you can see it says off or on right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and click it to the on position and pop that right back down in there. And I'll do the same thing with this side. Super easy to take off. And put that to the on position and pop it right down in there. And now you can see they need to charge up a little bit, but that one on the right is coming on because I'm covering up the solar panel. And we'll go ahead and go charge these in the sun for a little bit. It's got glass on the outside here too. Cool little design there, like plexiglass. Right there it is. These lights are mighty pretty. Love these. Look at the light display on there. I really like that. And you can hang it up and carry it around. Hang it off a little off the wall there. Really happy with these solar powered lanterns, and I'm going to use them a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.